Hello, in this video I talk about the basic of audio in Camtasia Studio. In our timeline here we see a sample audio. Each audio track in timeline is a waveform. This is the visual representation of the sound we recorded. You can drag your audio, can split, or also can delete any portion of audio track. In our timeline we have two audio. One is recorded with microphone and another is built in with this video. If you want to remove audio from this video, then simply right click on your video track and click separate audio and video. Now our audio is separated. To delete this, simply select your audio track and delete. Now we have no sound in this video. We just undo this. Okay. You can expand the track up for better look. When we select any of this audio track, the green line just appears. Drag it up or down to adjust the volume. Now our volume is much higher. Let's play the video a little bit.
I gotta cover them here. I'm always looking at the latest and greatest in a wide variety.
To turn your volume down, just click your audio clip and just drag it down. Let's play now.
Always looking at the latest and greatest in a...
Maybe you hear the difference between two, right? To add fade in and fade out option, we have to add audio point. To add audio point, just click on your audio track and double click on this. Our one audio point is set up. To add another, simply right click on this audio track and select add audio point. Here you see we successfully add two different audio points. Now I drag it up and second one is down. In this video our volume is going higher to lower. Let's play.
Cover them here. I'm always looking at the latest and greatest in a wide variety.
By adding audio clip point, we easily add fade in and fade out effect in our audio clip. This is basically the basic of Camtasia audio.